Hello everyone, my name is Rakesh Yadav and my student ID is 20251150. Today I am going to show you my project called Smart Travel Campaign. This is a desktop application that helps people plan and manage their trips easily. This application is built using Java and JavaFX. It has many features like trip management, weather information, route planning, expense tracking and clothing recommendation. Let me show you how it works. When we open the application, the first thing we see is the login screen. If you already have an account, you can enter your username and password and click login. I am logging in with the admin account. You can also create new account by clicking the register here link. On the registration screen, you enter your full name, email address, username, password and confirm your password. You can also select your role from drop down menu after registration. Now let me log in first as admin account. Now I am logged in and we can see the dashboard section. This is the dashboard. It is the main screen you see after logging in. On the dashboard you can see a welcome message, your current trip status, quick statistics about the application and smart notification. The current trip status card shows you the trip name, dates, budget, how much you have spent and how much money you have left. There is also a progress bar that shows how much of your budget you have used. The smart notification card gives you useful tips and warnings about your trip. Now let's go to the trip planner tab. This is where you can create and manage your trips. To create new trip, you enter the trip name, start date, end date and vehicle type, budget and number of travelers. Then you can click create trip. I'm going to create a trip like Manali and the starting date and ending date here. Total budget of 60,000. Vehicle type car with 6%. The trip is created successfully and you can see it on the screen dashboard. You can also add destination to your trip. You can search for destination by name category. You can also mark destination and as visited when you go there. To add destination, click the add destination button, enter the name and it will be added to your trip. Next, look at the weather tab. This feature uses the Open-Meteo API to get real-time weather information. You just type the name of any city and click get weather, like I am typing Kathmandu. The application will fetch and the display weather information. It shows temperature, wind speed, humidity, UV index, rain probability and weather description. Based on the weather, application also gives clothing recommendation. It tells you what top layer to wear, what footwear to use and any essential you should carry like an umbrella or sunscreen. Now let's look at the navigation tab. This feature helps you plan route between locations. You enter starting location and destination, then you select your vehicle type and click calculate. Like I am going to calculate Kathmandu to Chitwan. The system calculates the distance, estimated travel time and fuel cost. It also gives you turn by turn direction with landmark and traffic information. This will be very helpful for planning your journey. Next, let's go to the expense tab. This feature helps you track your spending during this trip. The budget summary shows you your total budget, how much you have spent, how much is remaining and the utilization percentage. To add expenses, you enter the description amount, select a category and date. You can also mark it as shared with the group. Okay, let me add this. The expense is added and the budget is updated automatically. The system also shows warnings when you use more than 75% and 90% of your budget. You can see your expense in the expense history list. Finally, let's look at the setting tab. Here you can manage your data. You can export all your trip data to CSV file. You can also generate a trip report. The trip report shows a summary of your trip including duration, travelers, destinations, expenses and budget utilization. It also shows which destination you have visited. When you are done, you can click the logout button and end your session safely. Thank you for watching my demo video. This is a smart travel camping application. It is a complete trip planning solution that helps users manage their trips easily. I hope you like it. Thank you.